Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's technology tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Visual Studio 2022 in Windows. So follow the process shown in the video. So we'll go step by step. So here we'll just install the Visual Studio 2022 Community Edition in Windows. So let me open in browser, download. Just type download Visual Studio in browser. Just click on downloads, and here you will get the community edition and powerful IDE and free for student, open source contribution and individuals. So you can click on the downloads, free downloads. So downloading is started. So you download in your download folder. Just run this one. Continue. So Visual Studio installer is downloaded and this is installing. So now getting ready for the Visual Studio installer. So this is the workaround and window. Here you whatever you want to install, you can use this dashboard and you can install that. So web and cloud and Azure development, Python development and other things are there. So whatever your requirement, you can install from there. So my requirement in this video for the ASP.NET web development. So click on this. In right side you will get list of the optional installation files. So these are the installation uh, previously these are the checked. Now you have to add .NET framework and project and item templates for the Visual Studio. And if you want to add the .NET framework 4.8 and development component, you can add this one. This is the necessary part for that adding to the ASP.NET web development. Otherwise the Visual Studio won't show the web development option. So add these two and just click on install. So it will take some time for the installation. Now installation is completed. Now we go to our Visual Studio. So skip for now. Here you can development setting, you can go through the general and other settings if you want. And there is a more color theme. So dark blue, whatever you want theme you want, you can choose and just start the Visual Studio here. So this is the first page. So first window, Visual Studio. So anything open recent, then you can get it there, and there is your option. So get clone a repository. You can clone the repository just like from the Git and Azure DevOps from there. And you have a local project or solution file. Then you can just SLN file. Then you can open through that. And if you want to open the folder, so you can click on that. And now I'm going to create a new project. So click on this, or you can go continue with the without code and you can just go to the file and you can create the same thing. So I'm just creating here create a new project. So create a new project, you can able to see that uh, here all the Visual Studio core is there, MVC is there, and I'm not able to see the Visual Studio. So let me just search ASP.NET web. Okay, ASP.NET web application is not okay. Web application is here. So whatever your requirement, I'm just if you want to MVC, okay. core web MVCs and go through that, and web application you can select this one, .NET framework, this one. So these are the for the visual basic, this one. So like this you can create the project. So just like I'm just going to create this project. Click here, go to the next. So give the name as per your requirement, web app. Okay. So click on create, empty web form, MVC, whatever you want you can select, and just remove the HTTPS because I'm running in the local. So click on create. So file is created. So in next video we'll see how to create the pages and how to run the pages, all the thing. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.